Worried DIYing your wedding will look cheap? Or worse, completely fall apart on the day? Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how DIYing your wedding can be the most magical part of the journey, not just for saving money, but for making truly personal memories that last forever. I'm here to help you ditch the stress, feel inspired, and know exactly where to begin. So if you're planning a wedding, this is for you. Let's start with the big question. Why even DIY your wedding in the first place? Isn't it more work? Sure, it can be, but it can also be more joy. When you DIY parts of your wedding, you're not just ticking tasks off a list. You're creating memories, infusing your personality into every detail, and extending the magic beyond that one special day. Imagine looking at a handmade table number in 20 years and feeling all the feels. That's priceless. Now, I know the fear. If I DIY, will it look tacky? Nope. Not if you focus on projects that reflect your style and keep things simple. The goal isn't to make everything from scratch. It's to add meaningful touches that reflect your love story. And let's be honest, some DIYs cost more than buying off the shelf. The value? It's in the personal magic. No art degree? No problem. I was once the worst in art class, but now crafting is second nature. Start small. Some DIYs are beginner-friendly and still look amazing. And here's a tip. Play to your strengths. If you're a disaster baker, maybe skip the cake. But if you love words, write sweet notes on your signage or menus. If you're visual, try hand-tying ribbons or assembling gift boxes. Your unique gifts will shine through. Feeling a little overwhelmed about where to begin? I've got you. I created a free wedding DIY checklist you can download from Canva. It'll help you figure out what to take on based on your time, budget, and how crafty you feel. Think of it like your wedding DIY game plan. Here's a quick look. You can find the link in the description and head straight over to Canva to download it for free, or use it directly as a fillable template. Now, do you need help imagining how it will all come together? I've created 4 wedding mood boards on Pinterest to help you see your dream theme come to life. Romantic and rustic, modern and minimal, and whimsical and maximal, and a coastal corals theme. Let them guide your choices and get your creativity flowing. You'll find the link to all the boards in the description, so get inspired and start dreaming about how you'll make your wedding your own. So let's get into some of the things you can actually DIY for your wedding, with little or no skill. There are so many beautiful ways to bring a personal touch to your wedding. Some of the most popular DIYs include save the dates and invites, wedding party proposals, flowers and centerpieces, table numbers, menus and place cards, chair decor and signage, favors and cake toppers. And there's so many more possibilities. Remember, you don't have to do them all. Just pick what brings you joy. So, what are you waiting for? DIYing your wedding isn't about perfection. It's about making your day yours. Start small, follow along here for tutorials and ideas, and know that I'll be cheering you on every step of the way. Tell me in the comments, what are you planning to DIY? Like, subscribe, and share to spread the wedding magic.